Hi guys, today I'm gonna draw Boo step by step in an easy way. If you want that I'm drawing something that you like, just follow the next steps. And now let's start. First we start drawing the eyebrows. We only have to draw a W, just that. Perfect. Now it's time to the eyes. The first one. And now the second one. So easy. I always like coloring that part. Now it's time to the mouth. Pay attention about that shape. It's almost like a triangle. Drawing Boo is really easy, my guys. By the way guys, don't forget to subscribe to this amazing channel, that helps me a lot. And now it's time to the fence. Gonna be too big and too small. Nice. That line is the town. Let me carry that area. Perfect. Now for the body, you only have to draw a circle. If you want, you can move the paper to use your hand more comfy. By the way guys, try to catch all the cats that appear in that video, and comment below in the box comment how many cats do you see. And now the tail. And now it's time to complete the body. And this part to that part. And now that's so easy, to be honest with you. Oh shit. Okay, let's move and draw in the arms. When finish that. Perfect. Let me start with the left one. And now the right one. That is all the thing that you have to do to drawing Boo step by step in an easy way. Now let me